Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out.
Happy birthday ka na, Peanut.
There you go, guys. That's my small and very intimate and simple 26th birthday celebration. So thank you so much sa lahat ng bumate, sa lahat ng pumunta, and of course, the most appreciated sa lahat ng mga nag-effort mag-costume, and of course, sa lahat ng mga nagbigay pa rin ng regalo. And especially na-appreciate ko sa mga nag-costume, and of course, sa mga nagbigay ng regalo, which is Harry Potter stuff talaga. Kasi wala naman akong ibang hinihiling. Kung di kayo makakaisip ng regalo sa akin, automatic Harry Potter stuff is okay. And that's gonna be the most liked and loved gift na marireceive ko. Kasi ngayon pinaka gusto ko. Kahit anong kind of Harry Potter yan, kahit hindi ko magagamit, basta Harry Potter, I really appreciate it. So yan, thank you so much sa panonood ng mini vlog ko. And I was supposed to include yung pag-open and pag-share ng mga gifts na receive ko. But unfortunately, some gifts are late and some gifts are hindi pa nabibigay sa akin. So unfair naman if yung iba nandito and the others are not. So yun lang naman. So thank you so much for watching until my next celebration next year. And abangan nyo na lang yung mga next videos ko kasi malamang magdi-December na. So abangan nyo yung mga special na pupuntahan namin if meron, and of course sa office. Meron ata ako sa office. But for now, thank you so much for watching. I love you all and thank you so much for a wonderful November.
How do I tell you I need you? Are you still the breath in my lungs? My body shakes till the blood in my face.